Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the products of Good Vibes that I used and what are the reviews on those, and I think whatever I purchased I will not regret, and they were amazing. Trust me, they were amazing and I really loved all of the products of the Good Vibes. And this is not a sponsored video, and I specifically love Good Vibes because the products kind of suits my skin to a greater level. Now I don't use a lot of cosmetic products of the Good Vibes, but there are few products that I used and I do not regret using them. So I have only 4 to 5 products, and one of the product which I have actually given to my mom, which she uses and she loves that. So I do not have that with me, but I have just 3 or 4 products with me. Product I have been using for like months is this Good Vibes Saffron Nourishing Day Cream. So this is something which I've been using. This is my second bottle and I think still I have used a lot of it since it is summer. So I mentioned in the previous video that I'm using more of facial mist and the toners. So I'm not using this cream at least for the month of May. Till April I was using it, but this is amazing product. This is for saffron. This also it states that it enhances the complexion, but I will not comment on that because the complexion is something which is not just externally what you apply, but internally how much water you drink, what kind of food you take. These are the things which also decides the texture of your skin. So there is no cream that can add a fairness to your complexion, I don't believe, but saffron is something which clears the tanning and all of that is something which I have experienced, and I can say that as well. Now this is 100 gram of product and it has a lot of moisture. I do not use a product which do not have the moisture, so I kind of love this product because of this reason only. Now my camera is troubling me a little bit, so that's the reason I'm kind of adjusting it. Please ignore this. It comes with the expiry and all of the date. The main content is the saffron, which is again very good to treat the specifically. It is very important to clean the tanning and other stuffs of the skin, which is again important. And at the same time, this is something which is free from sulfate and mineral oil and everything, so everything will be mentioned over here. And coming to the texture of the cream is not that oily. It is easily absorbable to your skin. That is something, my skin is combination, so if you kind of apply it, it easily gels and mixes in your skin, and it do not at all, it does not give any oily thing, so which is something which is really good, and I really love about this cream. And any of the creams of the Good Vibes is something which is not at all sticking to your skin unless and until you want the coconut variant of it. So this is not the coconut one, so it easily absorbs to your skin to a greater level. I am so sorry to adjust this. Let me adjust it properly. Okay, so this is something which I really love, but it is not good for the month of May. Apart from that, in every of the season it is perfectly fine. Now this retails for 325, but again there is always a discount on the Good Vibes. So I got this product when you buy 3 and you pay for only 2 or something like that. I got it in that scheme and I really loved it. So this was my first thing. The second is a night cream. Now this night cream is something which I've been using for like 3-4 months, and it does great. It actually works good for my skin. So this is the Argan Fine Line Minimizing Face Cream. So it is full of walnut and all of the argan oil. Okay, so this is really good for the night. It is not very oily. Like the night creams that I have always used are pretty much oily, but this cream is something which is not at all oily, and the argan oil is something which is good for the anti-aging. Now I don't think that any of the cream is specifically for anti-aging, but at night if it hydrates and moisturizes your skin and repairs your skin is something I somewhere believe the night cream does. So I have used a lot of the product. This is a little sticky, not that much, but when I kind of apply it, it is a little thick in consistency, but when you kind of blend it, it is supremely good. That is something I experienced, and it do gives a smoothness to your skin when you wake up in the morning. So that is something which is I wanted to draw your attention towards it. It is really good in other senses that it will not make your skin oily so that you cannot sleep at night. That is something which will not happen, and I really like this cream. This is not other nights, unlike other night creams, they are really expensive, but this is only for like 200, and it gives you 50 gram of product which will last you like 2 months easily if you use it for the regular basis. So that's the reason I love this. I will not say it as night cream, but I really love this cream over any other cream which you use at night. The other thing is the facial mist. I've already mentioned in my purple haul that I love facial mist during the summer, and I think even if you go out and you feel little dehydrated if your skin, you can easily use the facial mist. So this is a lavender facial mist. It has a beautiful fragrance, and also it kind of hydrates your skin to a greater extent after the face wash. Now after face wash, sometimes you feel like your skin is completely dry or something, which it does not happen. Which face wash I use, that is also from the Good Vibes, and I will let you know what it is. So this is actually refreshing. It has lavender, and it is, I think it is 50 ml of product, and it do give a little boost to your skin when you kind of spray it on your face after face wash or after you get out of the shower. It helps to, smoothens, and also at the same time it kind of refreshes your skin. It gives a little glow to your skin. I don't know, it happens with all the facial mist, because only with this facial mist I've experienced this, and it retails for 150, which is not again very costly when it comes to the product, which is not having sulfate and all of that, and I really love this product. I have one more product from the face wash, which is the charcoal one, and I will let you know how it is. This is the face wash which I was talking. This is Good Vibes Activated Charcoal face wash. This is an amazing face wash, and I really love it. Now when I have already used, I think, this much of the product. Coming to charcoal, when we say we are using charcoal, it completely dries your skin. Nothing of that sort. It actually cleanses your skin. Your skin looks really clean. I mean to say, it exfoliates your skin. When specifically in the summers, it do not dehydrates your skin at all. That is something which is one of the amazing property of a good face wash. So I use lot of face wash which has charcoal, and it completely dehydrates your skin, and your skin feels so rough and so stretched out that you do not want to use that face wash. But unlike other face wash, this face wash is really good, and I highly recommend for the oily skin and the sensitive skin. Coming to the dry skin, they can also use, but I think if your skin is little dry, you have to use a facial mist along with this, which is again, you can say it's a good thing, but for me, I don't require the facial mist after using this face wash. Now this is unisex. Now all of the products like facial mist or the toners or anything is a unisex product. There is nothing Good Vibes have ever said that it is for the woman, unless and until it is a face cream. And I don't think in the face cream also it's written that it's for the woman. I think easily men can use those products. The face wash, I think my husband also uses this, and it is really, it works good for him as well. He has a combination skin, again the same combination skin he has, and it never, he always have a complaint that whatever face wash I use, it completely dehydrates. Means whatever he uses, it dehydrates his face, but when it comes to this, it do not dehydrates the face, and it is very affordable as well. I think it is only for 175, and you get 120 ml of the product, and the quantity you require is very less. I think just the pea size of the face wash is essential for a wash. And by the way, it doesn't give any foam, it doesn't give a lather when you use it, but trust me, when you kind of water them, it cleanses your skin like it have exfoliated all the dirt and the chunks out of pollution and all of that. So I highly recommend this face wash. This is a must buy. The other thing is only the two facial kits which I wanted to, I've given a full demo of this. This is a Good Vibes Natural Glow Gold Facial Kit. Now this is one of the amazing product of the Good Vibes, and I really love it. I have used twice, and they come in such tubes, and I think 3 uses can be done easily in these tubes. I have made a specific demo of each of this, both of the facial kits, especially in the quarantine. I will give you the link in the description box. The packaging is completely gone, but I really love it. Kind of exfoliates and it do gives a glow to your skin. All the steps and everything has been mentioned, and this is again very affordable. I think this is only for 250 rupees, and 3 or 2 depend on the quantity. I think they also require a very less quantity, and I think 2 is also affordable in 250. Likewise, I have a diamond skin polishing facial kit. Now this is also amazing product. I really love this product over any of the, I think I've used the VLCC also, but they are also good, but they are not sulfate and paraben free, which Good Vibe product are, and I really love this product. Now this also comes in a tube, and this is a little different price. I think this is for 350. It's a skin polishing. The quantity is also good, and it do good to your skin. Now the color is different. This is kind of diamond, the black and white one, and that is yellow one. But both of the facial is so good, and they have other facial kits also, but I specifically love both of this, and they are like really good. So I think I use only 5 of the Good Vibes product. I do not use lot of products of the Good Vibes, but whatever I have used it, they have turned out amazing for me. Specifically, few advantages of Good Vibes is they fits to all the skin types. They do not damages your skin, and at the same time, whatever that claims, it does the job. So that's the reason I would highly recommend Good Vibes product. Coming to where you get it, you can easily get it in the Purple website. I always buy from Purple. They do not have their specific websites, but again, if you buy through cashkaro.com, you will get some cashback, and which is again a good deal. Another thing for Good Vibes is in the Purple there is always some of the offers going on, and that's the reason also Good Vibes is again always budget friendly, and at the same time it do think about the cosmetics and all of the other things which is full of chemicals and damages the skin. I think that way it's a good thought that the Good Vibes is doing, and that's the reason I love Good Vibes product. This is not a sponsored video, but I really love the Good Vibes product. That's a little bit of review of few products I used Good Vibes. I do have few more products, but I don't know where did I keep it, but they are really good. I think their lip balms, their lip scrubs are really good. The lemon lip scrub, and the other thing which I was saying is I gave my I have gifted my mom the anti-aging avocado one. So it's a kind of gel consistency. My mother has a dry skin, so it does good for her, and she really loves the product. I think anti-aging avocado variant, that is the something. I will give the link in the description box. So just for any of your moms you want to gift, or you wanted to give her any of the anti-aging, that is also one of the product that retail for 275 something, which is again a very good budget friendly thing, and it does great to the skin. So that's pretty much my little review on the Good Vibes product. I hope it was little helpful, and if you wanted to ask what's my favorite one, I think all of them are amazing. I cannot pick any one, but if I have to pick 2, it would be the face wash and this cream. So these are the amazing products, and I really love them. So that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.